Good afternoon, class 6. So, as we were doing chapter 7, and today we are going to start our next exercise, that is 7.2. In this, our first question is write each fraction, arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign, this and that, between the fractions. So here they have given us some pictures. We have to write their fractions very first of all, and then we have to arrange them in ascending and then in descending order. So in first one, there are total 9 columns and 9 boxes in this bigger box. So and 6 one are shaded in this one, so I have wrote its fraction like 6 upon 9. In second one it is 4 shaded and total 9, so 4 upon 9. In third one it is 8 are shaded, so 8 upon 9. And in last one there are only 3 जो boxes हैं they are shaded, so I have wrote 3 upon 9. Now I have to arrange them in ascending order, as the denominator is same in all of these, so we can directly put it in ascending order. And ascending order में क्या होता है कि कम से ज़्यादा की तरफ increase होता है, so that's why. So 3 upon 9, then 4 upon 9, and then 6 upon 9 and 8 upon 9. So here is the ascending order. Descending order will goes opposite to the ascending order. It means वहाँ पर सबसे बड़ा then छोटा, यानी कि डिक्रीज होती है जो रेशियो वहाँ पर वो आएगी. So 8 upon 9, 6 upon 9, 4 upon 9 and 3 upon 9. And similarly in the next part of this question we have to write the fraction first. There are total 6 triangles here, so denominator will be 6 and here 4 are shaded, so 4 upon 6 will be the fraction of the first one. Second one 3 upon 6, because 3 are shaded, so 3 upon 6 will be the fraction of this one. In this one they all are shaded, it means 6 upon 6. And in this one no one is shaded, it means 0 upon 6. Now we have to arrange them in ascending and descending order, as the denominator is same in all of these. I can simply put it like 0 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 6 upon 6. And in descending order I can put it like 6 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 3 upon 6 and 0 upon 6. So this is how we are going to place them in ascending and descending order. Now moving to question number 2. Mark 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 6 upon 4 and 4 upon 4 on a number line. We have to put all of these on a number line, put appropriate sign between the fraction given below, and we have to mark the appropriate sign in these 3 parts. So let's put it in on a number line. So I have made a number line here like this. So in the first one it is 1 upon 4, so 4 upon 4 का हम यहाँ पर ले लेंगे, and this is 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4 and 6 upon 4. यहाँ पे मैंने इनके बीच में इक्वल डिस्टेंस लिया है, so that यहाँ पर ये इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएँ. So we have to mark 1 upon 4. I have marked 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 4 and 6 upon 4. 6 upon 4 जो है वो 1 से बाद में जाएगा, बिकॉज जब 4 upon 4 होता है वो कैंसिल आउट होकर 1 आता है. So that's why we have put it here on 1. And जो 5 upon 4 है वो इससे बाद में पहुँचेगा, and 6 upon 4 इसके और पीछे पहुँचेगा. So here in the first part 1 upon 4 box 2 upon 4, we have to find out whether which one is greater and which one is smaller. So the denominator of both of these are same, so we have to see the numerator, which one is greater. 2 is greater than 1, so we will put a sign like this on 2 upon 4. Next is 1 upon 4 box 6 upon 4. So which one is greater? 6 upon 4 is much greater than 1 upon 4, so the sign will be in the direction of 6 upon 4. Similarly, question number is part number 3, 2 upon 4 or 4 upon 4. So 4 upon 4 is much greater than 2 upon 4. Now moving to question number 3, that is compare the following fraction and put an appropriate sign. We have to put an appropriate sign in all of these. So how we are going to do this? Our first portion in this one is 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. Very first of all you have to put it blank, then we will do it like we have to see whether the numerator, the denominator are same or not. If they are same, then we can simply write which is the greater number and which one is not. So 5 is greater than 4 and the denominator are same, so that's why we have put a sign here like this. Next part of this is 4 upon 5 box 4 upon 7. So here in this one our denominator is totally different. What we will do now, we will equivalent them by multiplying it by, we have to find whether on in 5's table which in 5 and 7's table which number is common in both of these tables. So that is 35. 35 is common in both of these tables, or we can also say that the LCM of 5 and 7 are 35. So we have to find that on which digit 35 comes in 5 table. So it means it comes on 7. So 5 into 7, and as we are multiplying it by 7, so the numerator too will be the 7. So 5 into 7 is equals to 35 and 4 into 7 is equals to 28. Similarly, we will do the same with this, but we have to find where that on which number does 35 comes in the table of 7. So it is on 5th number. So we will multiply 7 by 5, so it will be 35, and 4 by 5 as well, so it will be 20. Now we have the denominator same. Now we can put the sign whether which one is greater and which one is smaller. Similarly, in next one, 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6, we have to find which one is greater and which one is not. We will do the LCM of these two, that is 24, and we have to see whether on which number does 24 comes in 4's table. So it is on 6. We will multiply the numerator and the denominator with 6, so it will be 18 upon 24. And similarly with this one as well, on 6 tables on 4 24 comes, so we will multiply numerator and denominator with 4, so the answer will be 20 upon 24. So here we have the same denominator, and we will find out whether which number is greater and which one is not. So 20 upon 24 is much greater than 18 upon 24. Now moving next, that is part 4, 5 upon 4 and 4 upon 10. We will do the very same procedure in this one as well. We have to find out the LCM of 4 and 10, that is 40, and we will now multiply 4 by 10 so that we can get 40, and 5 into 10 as well. So this is the number that we get from the first one after multiplying it by 10. So 50 upon 40 is the first number, and this in the second one 4 upon 10 into 4. सो हम न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को सिमिलरली उसी तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, एंड देन वी विल गेट 16 upon 40. So we have to find out whether which one is greater and which one is not. So our denominator are totally same, and 50 is much greater than 16. So our answer will be 50 upon 40 is greater than 16 upon 40. Next part is fifth one. In this one we have the same denominator in the question, so we can simply write it 6 is greater than 3, so we will put a sign like this. In part number 6, it is 6 upon 7 and 18 upon 21. If we reduce 18 upon 21, we will get such terms like 6 upon 7, and this is also 6 upon 7, and this one is also 6 upon 7, and in the table of 3, 18 comes on 6 and 21 comes on 7, so it is 6 upon 7. So they both are totally equal, so we will put a sign of equal in it. In next one, we will reduce 2 upon 12 to 1 upon 6 by the table of 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12, so it is 1 upon 6, and they both are equal, so we will put a sign of equal here. In part number 8, we have two different denominators, so we will find the LCM of these two, 10 and 5. So we will multiply 10 by 5 so that we get 50, and we will multiply 5 by 10 so that we will get 50. And similarly we will multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, that is 5, so we will get 30 upon 50. And here in this one as well we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, that is 10, so 40 upon 50. Here 40 upon 50 is much greater than 30 upon 50, so we will put a sign like this. In question number 4, here we have question number 4. The following fraction represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equal fraction by changing each one into simplest form. Now in next question we have to simplify them on we have to reduce them. So 12 upon 60, 12 की टेबल में 60 आता है 5 पे, so 1 upon 5 is the lowest term of the 12 upon 60. In second one, 4 upon 25, this cannot be reduced further, so 4 upon 25 is here. 3 upon 15 can be further simplified as 1 upon 5, and 12 upon 72 as 1 upon 6, so here I have wrote it. Now I have two more pairs, that is 12 upon 75, it will reduce and the numbers will be like 4 upon 25, and in last one 16 upon 96, it is 1 upon. This question we have to do that the similar group, इनकी जो हमारी जो सिमिलर इनके आंसर आए हैं उनको हमें ग्रुप में एड ऑन करना है. सो 1 अपॉन 5 एंड 1 अपॉन 5 किसका था, 12 अपॉन 60 एंड 3 अपॉन 15. सो आई हैव प्लेस्ड देम इन another individual group, and the another one was 45 and 25, so here we have 44 upon 25, so this is by 4 upon 25 and 12 upon 75, so I have put them in a separate group. And the fourth one that has a number of 1 upon 6, and this one has 1 upon 6 as well, so 12 upon 72 and 16 upon 96 will be put together in a different group. So now question number 5 is arrange the following fraction in the ascending order. We have to put these in ascending order. So first one is this one. Here we have all the denominators different, so we will do the LCM of it, and the LCM of 8, 12, 6 and 4 is 24. It means we have to multiplied it by a number through which we get 24 as a denominator in each of the cases. So 8 की टेबल में 24 3 पर आता है, so 8 3s and हमें न्यूमरेटर को भी सिमिलर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, so 2 3s 6 and 8 3s 24. Similarly 12 के टेबल में 24 2 पर आता है, हमें न्यूमरेटर को भी सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो 2 अपॉन 2 4 and 12 2s 24. 6 4s 24 और हमें न्यूमरेटर को भी सिमिलर नंबर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो 2 4s 8 and 6 into 4 is equals to 24. Next in the last one we get 24 on 4's table at place 6, so we will multiply the numerator with 6 as well, so 2 6 are 12 and 4 6 are 24. Now here we have all these as the same denominator. We can now further classify that whether which one is greater and which one is smaller, so we can put them in an ascending order with like this. So 4 upon 24, 6 upon 24, 8 upon 24, 12 upon 24. Now we have to write their actual number, that is 4 upon 24 is of 2 upon 12, so 2 upon 12 will be placed here on the first one. 6 upon 24 is of this one, that is of 2 upon 8, so we will put it here on the second number, and on third number we will put 8 upon 24, that is of 2 upon 6, so I have put 2 upon 6 here on third number, and on the fourth number I am going to put 2 upon 4 on the fourth number. So this is our final answer. This one is our final answer, this is not. So now next, moving to our next part of this question, that is 3 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 14 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. Here we have the similar denominator, so we can simply put it like this: 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6 and 14 upon 6. This is in ascending order. Question number 5 का third part is 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5. So we have to find the LCM of all these numbers, all the denominators, that is 20. We have to find the number whether on which the 2's table 20 comes, that is on 10. So we will multiply the numerator with the same number, that is 1 into 10 is equals to 10 upon 20. Similarly, in second one, 4 into 5 is equals to 20 and 3 into 5 is equals to 15. So the denominator are same in both of these cases. 4 into 5 is equals to 20 and 2 into 4 is equals to 8. Similarly, in this one as well, 5 into 4 is equals to 20 and 3 into 4 is equals to 12. So we will put it like this, that the smaller number in the first, then greater, and then much greater, and then the greatest. So 8 upon 20, then 10 upon 20, then 12 upon 20, and then 15 upon 20. And then we have to write their actual number, that is 8 upon 20 का actual number, that is 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 is here, then greater than sign, lesser than sign, and then 10 upon 20, that is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is here. Third one is 3 upon 5, that will be here, and the last one is 15 upon 20, that is of 3 upon 4. So I have wrote it here. This is it for today's class. Thank you.